Okay, next thing is the dress, for sure. Hi guys, what's up? It's Sunday, almost midnight, so maybe like Monday-ish, and yeah, Diwali has finally begun because I'm like doing my first Navratri at night. Navratri. Oh no! I'm still there, okay. Doing my first Rangoli, and I also have to kind of click a picture for Instagram, so that's also one reason why I'm doing it today because like makeup is already there, so I might just shoot it today. I have like made the outlines with white and I'm just filling in right now. Love the way this looks. Look at this. Anyway, so I also have to shoot a picture. So first I'll just have to do this and then click a picture and then again complete this. This got spoiled while clicking the picture, but yeah, the picture is done. Now I'll just finish this off. And it's done finally. I have to write something here. I'm not sure what to write. I'll do that tomorrow. But yeah, it's done. Whoa. What's up? Okay, so it's been real long since I last vlogged, since the last clip that you saw. So what happened was, as usual, I felt sick and I'm not sure if you guys can make that out from my voice right now. I still have cough. So the very next day of Diwali, like on the day of Diwali and on the day of New Year, I had diarrhea and I was constipated because I ate a lot of kacha atta. Now I don't know how many of you can relate with this, but I love eating kacha atta. Like my mom was making puri and gathiyas and all of that. So yeah, I ate a lot of kacha atta and that just kind of backfired and I felt sick. And after that I went outside, so because of all the pollution and everything going on around, I got sore throat and I got really bad cough. So that happened and then my wisdom teeth is coming. It's still like halfway there, not even halfway, it's like 30%, 40% there. So right next to it I got a ulcer and it was so bad that I couldn't talk properly for 2 days. So yeah, anyway, long story short, I was sick and that's why I didn't vlog anything. I have like 3 parcels to unbox. So yeah, the yellow one is from Shein, this is from Stalk Buy Love and this is from the Doodle Collection. So I thought I'll just unbox this and end the vlog here itself, since I vlogged a little bit and since I have this parcel as well. I thought I'll just upload the vlog so you guys can enjoy it. And I think there's a lot of things, like 10 things inside this Shein box, so it'll be like a mini haul. So yeah, let's get started. First I will just unbox the Stalk Buy Love. Okay, so I got a coupon code for 10% off, and then this is the magazine that they have started, so it has all the clothes that you can find on Stalk Buy Love. And then along with that I also have this pouch. I don't think there is anything inside. No, it's just paper. So yeah, quite cute by the way. I love the color. And then lastly I got some scrunchies. So cute. Now we'll move on to the Doodle Collection. Okay, so we have chocolates. I'm dying, okay, sorry. And then we also have something here from their collection. I'm hoping it's a notebook. And yup, it is! Thank you so much, Doodle Collection team. I love this. I'm gonna open this right now and see what's inside. It's so cute. It's like a planner, but like travel planner, I think. It also has a packing list. Wow. Coming to the last package, finally. Let me just show you guys what this looks like. If you are following me on Instagram, you might have seen this. This is what it looks like. Okay, before I open this, I have no clue what's inside this. I wasn't even aware I'm gonna receive something like this. So let's see. It's a surprise for us, both of us. Okay, finally. Wow. I can see a lot of things in here. I don't know where to start from. We'll start from the accessories that's right on the top. So I got this ring. It fits, guys! So this is what the ring looks like. So cool, it fits me. Then I have hoop earrings. It's like gold with white glitter on it. Real cute. Ouch! I have one more pack of earrings. So it's like flower, but it's so delicate and nice. Okay. Next thing is... I have no clue what this is. Oh, I have seen this on their website. Oh shit, yes. It's a... Oh my god, this is so cute. I hope this fits me. I think it will. And this is what it looks like from the back. Guys, I don't know the pricing for anything because I didn't order this. Also, I don't know the links. But you will obviously find it on Shein. So you will have to search for it. Sorry. Next thing is something in black again. And it's a top, I think. Or it's a... I need to stop shouting. I think they know me so well. It's pink with hearts on it, and then this is at the tank. It says sleepless. That's my life. Next thing that I have is something in white. This is like white pair of shorts, but it's like chicken material. Next thing is white again. It's like lacy white top. Like it's very boho. Anyway, next thing that I have, something in black. It's a top, I think. Shein knows me so well. You guys already know what this is. It's a mesh top. Next thing is red. It's a jacket. What is this? What is this? Definitely looks like a night dress. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I think it's a night dress, but I'm not entirely sure. Okay, next thing is a dress for sure. You guys are not even ready for this. It's a black lace. Okay, it's a little big for me, but I'm guessing I can make this work or something. And it's like knee length, it's not super long. Okay, next thing is, it's a top for sure. Okay, so it's a, I mean, you're not supposed to wear it like this. You're supposed to wear it just on its own. But it's such a cute top. Next thing is a dress, I'm guessing. So it's a white dress with flower prints all over it. Next thing is a top. Yeah, it's pink and it's off shoulder. It has this embroidery leaf thing on the top. And the last thing is a dress again. I don't know what color is this. I guess teal or maybe dark green or whatever. It's lace and then the inside is like black, so you can peep the black. This also goes below the knees. So that was it for this video. I really hope you guys liked it. I know there wasn't much. It was like all over the place, but that's my life. Anyway, don't forget to work hard, be kind, stay positive, and also don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and let me know what was your favorite thing from this entire video in the comment section below. And also let me know if you guys would like to see like a winter Shein haul or something. Like I'm planning to purchase things for winter, so I might just shop from Shein. Let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye!